Hello! Today, we have a brand new video with the off-road Mazda 3. Dude, I just got this thing ceramic coated. Water don't even stick to the paint. So anyways, how you guys doing? Today we got a new video with the off-road Mazda 3. We're continuing forward with the interior DIY mods, which have basically just been painting stuff, but just how to paint stuff. So yesterday we ended off with the beautiful black door cards. We spray painted those black. Those used to be gray. A couple videos ago we did the headliner black as well, and we've also done the steering wheel emblem black. If you guys want to see all those videos, I'll put them in the corner. I think it's this corner. You guys can check them out. Now the other day when I did upload the steering wheel video, I painted this black and I got ripped apart for it. I didn't get ripped apart. There was a suggestion saying that matte black would have looked better with the matte black airbag. And while that is true, this just all looks like trash with this gray. So here is my idea. Today, what we are going to attempt to do is paint these, the gray pieces, and we're also going to paint this visor thing. This thing is huge. This one's a hard one. That being said, these are both going to go gloss black. What do you guys think if I paint these gloss black? Let me know in the comments below. Gloss black? Should we try doing that? Should we try painting those gloss black? Let me know. If you guys also have any other ideas for the interior, let me know as well. I gotta get a shift boot going on. This thing is gonna need a shift boot. I need to realign the short shifter. So I'm gonna put my, I think it's like an 18-inch shift knob. Yeah, this thing. I gotta put this back on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start taking this off by first taking out the airbag, because we need to take the wheel off. Remove the ground from the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling off the steering wheel here. So first things first, plug right here, and there's gonna be the same plug on the other side. Now we're into the fun part. You're gonna wanna get a really skinny flathead. Oh, when you take these off, you gotta get in from the back and pop it out flat. These go like that. Now, if you guys wanted to plasti dip this, now's the time. And this is also an easier way, but the thing is, you cannot get the air, well, you probably can, but I just don't, just do this the way, just watch the video. So now we gotta take these off, but in order to do that, we gotta take the wheel off of the hub. 21 millimeter. And now we have the wheel off. And while we're in here, this is actually a perfect time to go ahead and take this off, because now we got a ton of room. Get super glue before you do this, because you will probably snap these. When I did these last time on my Mazda CB3, I snapped the side, but all you need to do is super glue it and then sand it down and you're good to go. Didn't even know. Probably start with a flathead or something. Kind of just, yeah, that kind of works. So take it, get it in there. Don't worry about damaging it, because you will be sanding this, and then give it a little twist. Now you got some access both sides. Now you're working with the middle here. The middle is gonna be a little bit more difficult. Oh, I did it. So we have the wheel right here. What we're gonna do is start 2 Phillips. Right in the middle there, there's these like 2 little pieces that you just gotta open up. That comes right off. Now we come back over here. Remember how this is set up? So the wires go exactly like that. Take that, and just like that. Now, come to the front of the wheel, and the harness, I don't believe you can unplug. So you have to pop that off, and then you're gonna have to take this screw out as well. Now you can move the wheel out of the way, and you have these. Okay. Okay, this is all coming apart right now. Just like that. So I think I have extras of these somewhere, so I'm just kind of sanding it. And it looked like that worked. So all I did was I had it pried up, took this in here and just popped it right out. So that being said, this, I never knew this. This is my first time actually taking these out. This is gonna work great. So if I had to say this was paint, I wouldn't say it's paint. I don't believe this is painted. Actually, it does look painted, but I believe it's some sort of vinyl spray like we're gonna be using. So I got a fresh piece of 2000 grit here. I just wanna scuff this up. I don't wanna make it any big, deep scratches. you can see some of the vinyl actually did start to come off. So there's this very thin layer of paint or whatever this is. So what we're gonna do is head over to the paint booth. I'm gonna be using, again, vinyl and fabric spray. This stuff is godsend. I use this on flat vinyl in the interior and it came out super flat. So I'm gonna go with this. And we're gonna make it easy. Super light coat to start. That's second coat and it's looking all right versus that first coat right there. So go ahead and continue. All right guys, last coat and then we'll do clear coat after. So I can already tell you from the notice, it is textured. Unfortunately, I wanted these to be really, really smooth. It's time for clear coat. Duplicate color, clear effects, glitter time. And it's just really cool. I think I might have just literally learned how to use clear coat. This is cool. So I'm doing my clear coat, right? And I'm telling you guys there's like texture in this. And there still is. But I'm like, okay, what if I like, cause this isn't the paint and it's clear coat and you can't really tell clear coat runs. Why don't I just slather it on there? And look how it turned out. Dude, what the hell? They ain't even black anymore, fam. I'm gonna go ahead and let those dry for a bit. Once they're done, we can go ahead and put them back in the car. I went risky on that sparkly stuff, but it's DIY. Be experimental, enjoy what you do, am I right? Yo, I'm just in Starbucks lineup right now, but look at that shine, fam! Ah! Yo! Okay, I gotta get some bucks and then, oh my god. So remember last video, if you guys watched last video, definitely recommend checking it out. We'll be right up there for you guys. I was actually in the same location because these two outros, they were the next day. So what I told you guys when I was showing these door skins off that I had painted was that, well, something was done. And you guys obviously know now because you were watching the video. So I'm gonna give you guys a little review. I've had these on, I drove home and I love it. In the sun, everything, it's gorgeous. Like this, it is so cool, and it even does it on this one as well in certain light. But I have to say, this is probably one of the coolest things that I've actually been able to accomplish, like how almost smooth this is just because I layered it on. With that being said, here's your good look at it. I think it looks awesome. If I could redo this, I definitely would. I messed up big on this, which I might end up trying to redo at one point. For the interior stuff, obviously black headliner, doors, this, but I have a question. I do have a question for you guys. These next? Should we do these in this color? On this sparkly on all four. I think it would blend it all together really nicely. So tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys want to still see this interior stuff, let me know, because I mean, so far this interior has looked a lot better. One thing that I want to do is, you guys know I have the short throw shifter kit in this. I want to try and realign it so that I can put the 18-inch, I think it is, shift knob back in here. And I think we're just going wild with this. Anything you guys want to see, let me know. But other than that, guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what your favorite piece. Actually, just comment, just comment something. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.